Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Your question is, find the number of points of discontinuities of fx in the enclosed interval 0 to 2, where your fx is defined as greatest integer function of cos pi x when x is less than equals to 1 and greatest integer function of x minus 2 and multiplied by modulus function of 2x minus 3 when x is strictly greater than 1. So, you have to find all the points of discontinuities of this function. Now, since your function is very complex to define and to differentiate in so many intervals, because it is changing so many times in the interval 0 to 2. So, we are going to draw the graph of the function, and by reading the graph we can find the points of discontinuities. So, let us define our function first. So, in between 0 to 2, your function changes at 1 first. In between 0 to 1, your function definition is greatest integer function of cos pi x. Now, when x is lying between 0 to 1, your pi x must lie in between 0 to pi. So, cos of pi x can be drawn like this between 0 to 1. Cos pi x will change between 0 to pi, it will change, it will become 0 at pi by 2. So, at 1 by 2 it is becoming 0 minus 1. So, cos pi by x will be this function. I have drawn it because this is not our final graph. We have to take greatest integer function of cos pi x. So, this I have plotted it in dotted lines. Now, we in this interval in between 0 to 1, you have to take greatest integer function of this cos pi x function. Now, the greatest integer function of cos pi x can be defined as when x is equals to 0, your cos pi x takes value 1. So, the greatest integer function of cos pi x will also give you 1 at x is equals to 0. When x lies between 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2, then your cos pi x will give you 0. Cos pi x will give you 0. So, this is the graph. At x is equals to 0, it is 1, and when between 0 to half, it is 0. Now, between half to 1, your cos pi x graph is negative. In between 0 to minus 1, and that is the greatest integer function of this is minus 1. So, the greatest integer function of this is minus 1. At half, your function is defined as 0. So, this is hollow. In between half to 1, your function is defined as minus 1. Now, we have to also define our function in between 1 to 2. So, when x is lying between 1 and 2, our x minus 2 is lying between minus 1 and 0. So, we have to take greatest integer function of this, and greatest integer function of x minus 2 will be equals to minus 1 and 0. So, it will be minus 1 when x is lying between 1 to 2, and when x is equals to 2, it will be 0. Now, you have to also check that your modulus function will change in between this at 3 by 2. So, at 3 by 2, so we can define our function greatest integer function of this multiplied by 2x minus 3 as when x is lying between 1 to 3 by 2. You can define your function. This function will give you minus 1 and this function is negative, so it will give you 3 minus 2x, and in between 3 by 2 to 2, your greatest integer function will give you minus 1 and this modulus function is positive, so it will give you 2x minus 3. And when x is equals to 2, this will give you 0, so your final function is 0. Now let us draw this function in between 1 to 2. There is a point 3 by 2 जहाँ पे ये function change हो रहा है. So in between 1 to 3 by 2 you have to draw this line, and the line is 2x minus 3. So when x is 1, this line will give you minus 1, and when x is 3 by 2, this line will create, जब आप x को 3 by 2 put करेंगे, it will give you 0. So this is the line. Okay. Now in between 3 by 2 to 2, your graph is defined as again linear function 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x के लिए when x is equals to 3 by 2, your graph is y is 1, 0, and when x is 2, take x is 2, then your graph is minus 1, y is minus 1. So this is the point. So your graph is like this. But at x is equals to 2, your graph will assumes value 2. Now this is your final graph between 0 to 2. At x is equals to 0, the value is 1. Between 0 to half, the value is 0. Between half to 1, the value is minus 1. Then it is linear graph, then again linear. At 2, it jumps to 2. So we can say the points of discontinuities will be x is equals to, first of all 0 पे आपको एक jump मिल रहा है, then at half there is another jump, half के बाद 1 पर आपका कोई jump नहीं है, it is continuous function. At 3 by 2 again it is a continuous function, then at 2 there is again a jump. So in total we have 3 points of discontinuities of this function in between 0 to 2.